Hi, this is Tatiana Walker with Advertising Solutions in Seattle area. Thank you guys for watching this video. Just a few words about what I'm doing. I'm helping local businesses to be found online and attract more customers, keep old ones, and attract new ones. So here's something I have done for a contractor in Seattle area, Brian Walker, and his business Walker's Construction. As you can see, I have ranked one of his services, I should say, house window repair contractor Seattle, very high competition, over 5 millions. And as you can see on the right sidebar, AdWords is pretty busy. People pay over $18 per click on their websites here on the sidebar. And I have ranked Brian. Here's his third ad is his, and below, after Google places below his website, General Contractor Seattle, Washington. This is his website. Okay, you are welcome to check it out. Oops, a little bit slow. Okay, it's my computer slow. So the video. So if you are interested in getting help to promote your business in a Google, Bing, or any other search engine, please contact me 206-245-6593, and you will see the website, my websites below, and I will see what I can do for you. I will do my best. Thank you.